26 divided by 4. Here 4 is a divisor, so we need multiplication table of 4. 4 times 0 0, 4 times 1 4, 4 times 2 8, 4 times 3 12, 4 times 4 16, 4 times 5 20, 4 times 6 24, 4 times 7 28. To find out the multiplication table of 4, just add 4 with the previous step. 0 plus 4 4, 4 plus 4 8, 8 plus 4 12, 12 plus 4 16, 16 plus 4 20, 20 plus 4 24. 4 goes into 2 how many times? 4 goes into 2 0 times, as 2 is less than 4, so 0 times 4, that gives you 0. 0 times 4 0. Subtract 2, bring down next digit 26. 4 goes into 26 how many times? 7 times 28, which is greater, so 6 times. Consider 6 here. 6 times 4, 6 times 4, or 4 times 6 24. Subtract, we are getting 2. So 0 6 means 6, remainder 2. So our answer is 6 remainder 2. But if you want to write your answer in decimal form, then put here decimal, add number of zeros, bring down the first 0. But before the 0 there is a decimal. Decimal must come to the quotient directly. Now 4 goes into 20 how many times? 4 goes into 20 5 times. 5 times 4 20. Subtract, we are getting 0. As our remainder is 0, we are done. So our answer is 6.5.